Hi, thank you for your interest in Hinalea imaging. This is a short tour of the Hinalea Imaging 4200 Truscope application software for the Windows 10 operating system. The Windows 10 version should be very familiar for users of our Linux version. The application is easily installed and can be launched from the Truscope icon on your desktop. The application starts in the Acquire page. If the 4200 is not connected, a warning indication appears prompting the user to check the USB ports. Once connected, powered on, and the Connect Camera button is pressed, these disappear. Alternately, the application can be operated in a demo mode without the 4200 present for use in analysis of previously captured data. The main menu screen displays the field of view image to be captured. In this case, a selection of leaves, both dry and new. On the right, adjustments can be made to set the exposure time and gain of the camera sensor and the wavelength range to be processed. A dark calibration data cube has been captured by the factory, but can also be captured by the user by pressing the dark bulb button. The dark calibration is performed at all gain settings, so it can take a little longer. A white calibration can and should be performed prior to capture of the image once the gain has been changed and set. If there are existing black and white data cubes, their images appear here. Where many images are to be captured in a series and time is a concern, they can be captured without processing and processed after using this button and by setting the application to capture raw data only in the settings page. To capture a data cube, simply press on the camera icon button. Once the image is captured, the application takes you to the Explore page. The main image window on the Cube tab shows a grayscale intensity image of the data cube. You can vary brightness and zoom in with the slider at the top of the frame. Once zoomed in, you can pan the image using the hand tool. You can also scroll through one bandpass at a time with the slide beneath or set to a specific wavelength exposure on the right. On the lower right-hand side, there is an RGB summary navigation image, which indicates with a frame where on the full image you are in the main image window. You can render an RGB image with each channel set to your needs on the RGB tab. Clicking on a single pixel allows you to see the spectral profile on the top right for that pixel. These can be cleared using the brush icon. The colors for the spectra can also be set. Alternately, you can look at average profiles of areas of the image using the rectangle, ellipse, and lasso or freeform tool. Different shapes can be combined using the union, difference, and intersection settings of the shape tools. The spectral plot scaling can be easily adjusted by sliders adjacent to the two axes. These spectra can be used as reference libraries to classify the image in the Classification tab. Simply set a threshold either with the slider or through the spin box and press Classify. A spectral angle mapper algorithm is used here. There are scaling options in the pull-down menu adjacent to the classification algorithm menu. The image in the main window will be false colored corresponding to the spectral plot colors. The false coloring can be removed and reapplied by clicking on the Remove Overlay button. Reference library spectra can be exported and imported for use on other data cubes using the icons on the top right. At any time, the data cube can be saved by pressing the floppy disk icon. A subsegment of the data cube can also be saved using the cropping tool. These saved data cubes can be viewed, reloaded, and managed in the File page. The Settings page allows the user to tailor formats and processing of data at every stage. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Hinalea Imaging Model 4200 and its Windows 10 Truscope application software. For more information, visit us at hinaleaimaging.com or email us at sales@hinaleaimaging.com. Thank you.